Get a feel for the 2023 Honda Odyssey. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate. Powerful, agile cargo hauler meets safe, comfortable family oasis. Drive the Honda Odyssey.